Today we celebrate Pongal, the joyous festival of harvest, gratitude and abundance. It is a day to thank the sun god, the earth, the rain, and the hard-working farmers who nurture our land. As fresh crops are gathered, homes fill with warmth, Pongal overflows in clay pots, and hearts overflow with happiness. Pongal reminds us of our deep connection with nature and the value of sharing, unity, and tradition. It is a time to begin anew with hope, prosperity, and harmony. May this Pongal bring good health, success, and endless joy to every home. Happy Pongal! Even while staying in an apartment building, our hearts remain rooted in tradition. In front of our door, we decorate with rangoli, fresh flowers, sugarcane, and the warmth of gratitude. Pongal teaches us that celebrations are not limited by space, but guided by faith, unity, and love. As the Pongal boils over, it symbolizes abundance, happiness, and new beginnings. This simple doorway becomes a place of prayer, positivity, and togetherness. May this Pongal fill every home with peace, prosperity, and joy.
Pongal, 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 Pongal.
சாப்பிடு. ஹாப்பி பொங்கல், ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். சித்தி ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். சரி, எத்தனை கறி பண்ண போற மதியம்? நானும் 5 தான். கார்த்திகா நல்லா இருக்கேன். ஹாப்பி பொங்கல். பிள்ளைகளெல்லாம் காணும், சத்தமே இல்லை, அமைதியா இருக்கு வீடு. அப்ப நானும் சொல்லுதோம்னா பிரபா சூப்பரா இருக்கா அப்படின்னு. அப்ப எங்க சித்தி மட்டும் என்ன உன்னை சூப்பரா பாக்கலையால? என்னத்து பார்த்து இத்தனை வருஷம் உன்னைய பெத்து வளர்த்ததுக்கு இன்னைக்கு பொண்டாட்டி வச்சு கேட்க.
We prepared lovely festive food using fresh vegetables, honoring the harvest and the goodness of nature. Pongal is not just about cooking, it is about sharing. With open hearts, we invited our neighbors and friends to join us for lunch, turning a simple meal into a celebration of togetherness. Laughter, conversations, and gratitude filled the air as we shared food and blessings. This festival reminds us that happiness grows when shared. May this Pongal bring unity, prosperity, and smiles to every home. Wishing my entire YouTube family a very happy Pongal. May this harvest festival fill your homes with happiness, good health, prosperity, and positivity. Thank you for all the love and support. Let's celebrate gratitude, togetherness, and new beginnings. Happy Pongal to you and your loved ones.